K is for king wearing a crown so grand. K is for kangaroo hopping across the land. K is for kitten playful and sweet. K is for kite soaring high with the breeze so neat. K is for kiwi a fruit full of zest. K is for koala resting in trees, a peaceful guest. K is for key, unlocking doors to fun. K is for kick, moving a ball with the sun. K is for knock when someone comes to call. K is for kitchen where we cook it all. K is for kids laughing and playing. K is for knife for cutting, safely swaying. Yeah. K is for kettle steaming with heat. K is for ketchup on burgers so neat. K is for kale healthy and green. K is for knee where we kneel and lean. K is for kidney helping us stay strong. K is for keyboard where letters belong. K is for keychain holding keys so tight. K is for kindergarten where kids learn and write. K is for kennel where dogs rest at night. K is for karate, a martial art with might. K is for knight in armor so bright. K is for kit with tools for every fight. K is for kingfisher flying by the stream. K is for knob turning with a gleam. K is for king wearing a crown so grand. K is for kangaroo hopping across the land. K is for kitten playful and sweet. K is for kite soaring high with the breeze so neat. K is for kiwi a fruit full of zest. K is for koala resting in trees, a peaceful guest. K is for key, unlocking doors to fun. K is for kick, moving a ball with the sun. K is for knock when someone comes to call. K is for kitchen where we cook it all. Yeah. K is for kids laughing and playing. K is for knife for cutting, safely swaying. K is for kettle steaming with heat. K is for ketchup on burgers so neat. K is for kale healthy and green. K is for knee where we kneel and lean. K is for kidney helping us stay strong. K is for keyboard where letters belong. K is for keychain holding keys so tight. K is for kindergarten where kids